In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add personalization on Shopify. By the end, you'll know how to prepare a dedicated product template and set up a product with clear details so customers understand exactly how to personalize their order. First, open the Shopify website and navigate to your admin dashboard. From the left-hand menu, select Online Store. This takes you to the area where you manage your storefront's look and feel. Choose your current theme, then click Edit Theme to open the theme editor. The theme editor is where you'll control layouts and templates for different types of pages. With the editor open on your homepage, look to the top page selector and switch to Products. This lets you work on how product pages are laid out. Now click Create Template. Give your new template a clear name that reflects personalization, something descriptive you'll recognize later. Then click Create Template to confirm. This new template is designed to help you tailor the layout for products that require customer input or special instructions. It keeps your personalized items visually consistent and separate from standard products, which is especially useful if you plan to highlight instructions, images, or special sections for customized items. Next, go back to your Shopify admin and open Products. Click Add Product. This is where you'll enter all the details for your personalized item. Start with a straightforward title that includes the word personalized or custom, so shoppers immediately know what to expect. In the description, clearly explain what can be personalized, how customers should provide their details, any character limits, formatting requirements, and example wording. This is also a good place to set expectations on processing times for custom items. Upload your product media, including photos or mock-ups that show the personalization area and style. The clearer your visuals, the fewer customer questions you'll receive. Fill in pricing and compare at price if you're running a promotion. Set inventory information if you track stock, and define shipping details if this is a physical item. If your product has options like color or size, add them as variants so customers can choose the combination they want. You can also add tags and assign a category to help with organization and search. Take a moment to review everything for accuracy. Make sure your description covers what customers need to provide and that your images reflect the personalization options. When you're satisfied, click Save. That's it. Your store now has a dedicated template ready for personalized products and a product listing with clear guidance for your customers.